Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am here to do an unboxing for Inlovearts shop, and I am going to get into it. Now below I will have the links to everything you need. Um, the shop, the new arrivals. There's a coupon code, okay, and I believe there's also free shipping over $29 right now. So I'm going to get into the dies. The first one is this one here. And this is a strawberry die. So you have the piece and then the layering piece. So really, really cute. And then this one, sorry for the crinkling. And I will have the links to these items below as well. This one is these two dies here, which looks like a little tulip flower, but this is the has a layering piece, so you can two-tone your colors. Goes like that. Okay, but I will come back and show you how that is done. And then it also comes with this piece here. Look how long it is. Let's see. It is 8 1/4. So that's a really nice piece. And these here measure like 4 1/8. So these are good size dies. So I can't wait to play with those. And the next one is this die here. And it comes in 3 pieces. And you also layer these as well. So you got that one, and then that one, and then you'll have like a 3-color piece there. So that is those, and these are approximately, got my ruler upside down. These are right at 3 5/8 approximately. So that's going to be cute. And then this one here, I'm pretty sure this is a free gift because I don't recall ordering this one, but it is cute. And those words was driving me crazy. I didn't know what they were, so I had a scrap piece and I cut it out. And I still don't know. I still don't know what the words are. So if somebody knows these words, tell me below. If I have them in the right order. I don't know. I don't know if it goes like that or like this. So let me know below which way it goes and what's the language. But this car is so cute. Look how cute that is. That is adorable. So this is great, just like a love theme or Valentine's. So really cute. And you could also paper piece and do the hearts in different colors. You can do the windows and like a tint or a vellum. You can do the headlights. And then you could do these wheels. These pieces come out too. So really, really cute. So I'm pretty sure that was the free gift. So I will bring this up, and that is the code if you're interested in this piece here. So that is that. So like I said, everything will be in the description box. The links and your coupon code. And go check them out if you haven't been over there before. And I will be back with some project shares. Thanks for watching.